Hello, friends. Welcome to the second episode of our third series. Last week, as you all know, we started this series called the third series, in which we were going to talk about the 10 thoughts that are prevalent in Hindustani music. So, we dealt with two of those thoughts last week, Bilawal and Bhairavi. Today we will be talking about the next two thoughts, Kalyan and Marwa. Let's first talk about Kalyan Thought. The main feature of Kalyan Thought is it has Ma as the Tivra note, sharper one, and the rest of the swars are in their original position, Shuddha swars. So that is Kalyan Thought for you. So which means that the rags originating from this thought will also have Ma, Tivra and the rest of the swars as Shuddha. And so when we talk about Kalyan Thought, in olden days there was Kalyan Rag also that was quite popularly sung. It is now sung, it's almost become extinct now actually. It's not sung at all. You may probably find maybe 2 or 3 recordings here and there from 50 years ago, but otherwise I don't think it is sung at all today. Instead, the most popular rag, well actually there are 2 of them that are really popular from this thought. One is Rag Yaman and the other one is Rag Bhoop or Bhupali as it is also called. So Rag Yaman, and the interesting fact about both Rag Yaman and Rag Bhupali are that these are what we call as giant rags, meaning you can sing them for a long period of time, and you also have so many songs composed in these 2 rags, and that too so many styles of songs, be it bhajan, ghazal, of course classical compositions. So let's talk about these 2 rags. Yaman. So as you know, every rag has like the aroha and avroha. So Yaman is like ni re ga ma dha ni sa ni dha pa ma ga re sa. So if you notice, the ma is a little sharper, ni re ga ma, as opposed to ma. So the ma of Yaman, which belongs to Kalyan Thought, is a little sharper. Ma. So that is Rag Yaman for you. And the most commonly sung classical music composition of Rag Yaman is Ye Ali Piya Bin Sakhiye Ali Piya Bin Sakhi Kalna Parat Mohe Ghadi Pal Chin Din Ali Piya Bin जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीन्हो, जब से पिया परदेस गवन कीन्हो, रतिया कटत मोरी तारे गिन गिन येरी आली पिया बिन. The most common or the most popular classical composition that is sung in Rag Yaman. And then of course there are so many songs in Rag Yaman, and like I said, so many kinds of songs in Rag Yaman. आंसू भरी है ये जीवन की राहें, कोई उनसे कह दे हमें भूल जाए. This is one kind of song. And then you have a devotional song. Kenu sang khelu holi, पिया त्यज गए हैं अकेली, किनु संग खेलूं होली. धनी रे मगरे ग साध सा सा, पिया त्यज निरे ग गए हैं अकेली, गम गम ग ग प मरे. So if you look at the notes that I sang just now, and if you compare it with the Aroha and Avroha that I sang, you'll find that it's exactly matching with that, and that's how you know that it is based on Rag Yaman. And that's a common question that people ask as to how do you know that a song is based on a particular rag. So if you sing its Aroha and Avroha, which is the framework of any rag, and then if you listen to a song, and then if you take somebody's help to try to notate them. In fact, there are so many people who don't even know the notes, but just after they listen to the Aroha and Avroha of a rag, and then when they listen to a song based on that rag, they quickly associate that with the Aroha and Avroha, and they say, oh, is this Rag Yaman or is this Rag Bhu? So that's the kind of magic that these rags can have on you once you develop that interest to know about the rag or the song and the rag on which it is based. So then we saw a devotional song in Yaman, and then we saw like a sad song in Yaman. And then we have like a romantic song. जिया ले गयो जी मोरा सांवरिया, लागी मन में लगन हुई, निध नीरे मध नीरे सानी पप बावरिया, पमरे गमरे मग जिया ले सा सा सारे ग रे ग म ग ग रे रे ग ग रे सा, जिया ले गयो जी मोरा सांवरिया, लागी मन में लगन हुई बावरिया, जिया ले गयो जी मोरा सांवरिया. That's a romantic song. Then we have a qawwali. निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, नी रे रे ग रे गनी रे रे ग सा, निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, ओ निगाहें मिलाने को जी चाहता है, दिलो जान लुटाने को जी चाहता. That's a qawwali. So like different genre. And then of course we have a ghazal, the most popular one. रंजिश ही सही सानी सा गम पर ग, दिल ही दुखाने के pa ma dha pa ma pa re liye a ma ma dha pa ga pa re ga re ranjishi sahi. So that's ghazal for you. And then we have like a philosophical song. मन रे तू काहे ना धीर धरे सा सा रे ग नी रे सा नी ध नी रे सा नी. So that's again in Rag Yaman. There is a similar rag to Yaman that's called Yaman Kalyan. Lots of the songs are based on Yaman Kalyan too, and a slight difference between Yaman and Yaman Kalyan is that in Yaman we only have the one ma, the sharper ma that I spoke about, but in Yaman Kalyan we use the regular normal Shuddha ma also. Nire ga ma pa ma re ga ma ga re sa Shri Ramchandra Nire ga ga ma. Now this is the regular ma that I sang just now. Kripalu bhajaman haran bhava Nire re mama. This is the Tivra ma, the sharper ma, which is part of Rag Yaman, the original Yaman. So this is all about Rag Yaman, which is originating from Kalyan Thaat that we are dealing with today. And the second most important rag that we talk or that we want to talk about from Kalyan Thaat is Rag Bhoop or Bhupali. Now the interesting thing about Rag Bhupali is, as we said before, in Kalyan Thaat there is ma that has to be sharp, tivra. So all the rags are expected to have tivra ma in them, but Bhupali does not have tivra ma. In fact, it does not have ma at all in it. But still it is believed to be in Kalyan Thaat, and the reason being the other feature of Kalyan Thaat that comes to play, which is the combination of the two swars Re and Pa going in tandem with each other. So when you sing Rag Bhoop, Re ga re pa ga pa re ga re pa ga ga pa dha pa ga pa re ga re pa ga re ga sa. This is Rag Bhoop for you. In last week's episode, if you remember, we talked about a rag called Deskar, which was in Bilawal Thaat, which incidentally has the same swars as Rag Bhoop, but the presentation is so different. Deskar is like a morning rag, a wake up rag. Sa dha sa sa da ba da re sa da. That is Deskar. Whereas Bhoop is a night rag. It's almost like when you sing Bhoop, it feels as if the mother is making the child sleep with soft cajoling. Sa re re ga sa re sa dha dha sa re ga. So it's a very slow, a very deep rag, very soft, soothing rag. And despite having the same swars as Deskar, it's still so different simply because the way it is presented differently. So Bhoop, नील गगन की छाँव में दिन रैन गले से मिलते हैं, ग प प प ध ध ध प ग रे ग, सारे ग प प प ध प ग रे ग. So it's a typical Rag Bhoop composition. And then रसिक बलमा सा सा रे ग प धा, ध प ध सा. So that is another very popular composition in Rag Bhoop. So चांद फिर निकला सारे ग प ध सा धा. Now although these swars seem to be going up, and then we said that Bhoop is a pretty slow and a very soft rag, but when the songs are composed, obviously you have to have the mood, especially when they are composed for movies. You have to have the mood, the situation in mind as the song is composed. So many a times it may feel as if the notes are going higher, which is in opposition to what actually the rag or how the rag is, but you will still find that the mood of the tune actually brings you back to Rag Bhoop. So that's how many of these songs may not seem to be in a particular rag, but then when you actually sing a few lines of the song and when you feel the mood of the song, you will realize that they are so appropriately composed in that rag. So this is Rag Bhoop. In fact, there is a very popular devotional song sung by Jagjit Singh Ji. He Govind, He Gopal, Ga Re Ga Sa Re Re Ga Re Sa Re, He Dayalaya, Sa Re Ga Re Ga Re Dha Re Sa Sa. So this is Rag Bhoop. So, and of course now these are the two main rags that we spoke about belonging to Kalyan Thaat. There are so many other rags which are also sung quite a lot. There is Rag Maru Bihag in Kalyan Thaat, and then there is Rag Hindol, which is a morning rag. Rag Gorakh Kalyan, Shuddha Kalyan. So many rags. In fact, it will be a very, very long video if we were to talk about all the rags. But we mainly dealt with the two main rags belonging to Kalyan Thaat, Yaman and Bhoop. Coming to the next Thaat that we are going to talk about today, Thaat Marwa. Totally different from Kalyan Thaat. A very deeper and a very somber feel to it. The main feature of Marwa Thaat is that it has Re Komal and Ma Tivra. So just like Kalyan Thaat, the Ma remains Tivra, but the Re changes to a Komal Re, which means a flatter, a softer ray. And the most important rag of this thought is Rag Marwa itself. So it has the same name as its thought. The interesting part is not many light music songs have been composed in this in Marwa Thad or rags belonging to Marwa Thad. Probably because of its nature. The nature is so somber and so deep, and it almost gives like a grand feel to it, or it's almost like a feeling of deep sea, just flowing ever so quietly. And so maybe there is not much of a scope for too many moods to be incorporated in this thought. So that's why you will find lesser number of songs in this thought as opposed to Kalyan thought. So Rag Marwa, and then there is Rag Puriya, Rag Sohni, Rag Lalit, not Lalit, I'm sorry, Rag Bhatiyar, Rag Vibhas. These are some of the rags belonging to Marwa Thad. So Rag Marwa goes something like this. So like I said, you will find the somber nature of it. Dhani re. So this is the softer ray, the komal ray that I spoke about at the beginning. Re dhani dha, dhani re ga ma dha, dha ma ga re, ga re dhani dha, dha re sa. There is a very famous Marathi song that's composed in this rag. Shabda shabda japun theva, sa 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 ni sa re ni dha, bakul cha pari, dhani re ga ma dhani da, mani da ma ga re ni re sa. So that is Rag Marwa Fig. That's how the song sounds like. Now, the other rag that is in Marwa Thad, Rag Sohni. Now, believe it or not, it has almost the same. In fact, it exactly has the same swars like Marwa, but presented in a totally different way. Just like we saw the comparison between Rag Bhupali and Rag Deskar, it's exactly similar to that, in which Rag Marwa is a deep rag, a very slow, soft, somber sounding rag, whereas Sohni is like a very lively, high-pitched rag, but the same swars or the same notes as Marwa. But the way it goes is Gama dhani sa re sa, ni sa re sa, dhani dha, dhani sa ga ma ga re sa re ni sa, dhani dhani dha ma ga, gama dha gama ga re sa, gama dhani sa. And one of the most popular songs in this rag, kuhu kuhu bole koyaliya, sa ma ga dha ma madha madhani sa sa ni re sa, kunj kunj mein bhavre dole, सारे नी सा धनी नी सारे सारे सा नी ध घुन घुन बोले मधनी धनी ध मध मग आ गम गम ध मधनी धनी ध मग रे जा कू कू बोले कोयलिया. So same thought, but how two rags can be totally different despite originating from the same thought and despite having the same swars. So that is Marwa and Sohni for you. And then we have Rag Bhatiyar, which is a morning rag. Marwa is sung in the evening, Sohni is sung late in the night, whereas in Rag Bhatiyar it is sung during morning time. Sa ma ma pa ga pa ga re sa dha ni re sa ma ma pa ma pa dha ni ni pa pa dha ma pa pa ga ga pa dha ga dha pa ga re sa. जय नंद लाला जय जय गोपाला साधा ध ध प प प ग ध प माधव मोहन मयूर मुकुटधर देवकी नंदन कृष्ण कन्हाई युगल किशोर श्याम गिरिधारी जय नंद लाला. This is one of the commonly sung songs in Rag Bhatiyar. So like I said, not very popular rag used to compose songs. And as I said in the beginning, Marwa thought is a thought in which you have more of classical compositions as opposed to light music compositions, except for a few that I sang for you. So this is about Marwa thought, and next week we will be dealing with two more thoughts. And if you have any questions or feedback about the episode that you heard today, please do post them on my channel, and please do not forget to like the videos, and please spread the word among your music loving friends to subscribe to this channel so that we get more listeners and maybe more questions and more feedback. Thank you so much. Stay safe and happy listening.